Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra without your phone. First, understand that the Ultra model offers significant independence, especially with cellular connectivity. This means you can leave your iPhone behind and still stay connected, track your fitness, and access many essential features. We'll explore how this powerful device operates autonomously, providing freedom and convenience throughout your day. To achieve true independence, activating a cellular plan on your Apple Watch Ultra is key. You'll need a compatible carrier that supports Apple Watch cellular service. Once set up, you can make and receive calls, send messages, and use data-dependent apps directly from your wrist, even when your iPhone is miles away. This seamless connectivity ensures you're always reachable. Many core functions work flawlessly without your iPhone. You can track over 100 different workouts with precise GPS and heart rate monitoring. Stream your favorite music or podcasts directly to your Bluetooth headphones. Make secure payments using Apple Pay at millions of locations. Even use maps for navigation and Siri for quick commands, all from your wrist. To maximize your standalone experience, optimize battery life by managing background app refresh. Download music and podcasts directly to your watch for offline enjoyment, saving cellular data. Always keep your watch's software updated for the best performance and security. Remember, connecting to available Wi-Fi networks can also extend your data usage and battery life when cellular isn't needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.